Welcome back, guys. Here we are with our 23-way ceramic spray coatings and sealants longevity test, this being update number 12, or the 7-month mark. Minimal rain the last 30 days, and cooler weather is finally here. So the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen, is on your screen here. And if you would like to support the channel, all you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any experience using or have installed any of these products. If you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of each of these videos, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing of these. So as usual, we will foam everything down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are getting on. Sonax ceramic spray. It looks like it's seen better days, but it's just barely hanging in there. We'll give it a pass this month, but I'm pretty sure next month is probably going to be the rest of it. Griot's 3-in-1. Tested several times along with new finished graphene, this is the first test we've tested it. Both doing quite well. Griot's will probably last around the 8 to 12 month mark. Adams Advanced Spray on its way out, and Wolfgang Uber very, very close to failing. I don't think we'd call it failed just yet. White Diamond Graphene, sort of in that same boat where it's sticking pretty good, but it still has a little bit. McKee's Hydrographene, again, also in that same boat. It's just a little bit left. Not sticking completely like the others that we've called failed, as you can see there. Avalon King Boost, very difficult product to install. However, they have improved it apparently, and I will be in the process of getting that and testing the new product. It looks like it's doing fine, but it was a tremendously difficult product to install. Very, very sticky, very grabby when you remove it. Soft 99 Trees, barely hanging in there, and TAC System Quartz Max, very similar, maybe not quite as good as Soft 99 Trees, but we'll give it a pass this month. 3D Ceramic Touch, I believe that is going to be our first failure. And what do you think? I think 3D Ceramic Touch, we're finally going to call that one failed. It's very, very little right at the last minute, but it has to sit there a long time before the surface tension breaks. So I think it's safe to call that one failed. Geon Evo Can Coat, still doing quite well, extremely hydrophobic, doing quite well for 7 months for cheap spray product. So there's your update, guys. Have a pretty clear, Griot's, new finish, Geon. Those are 3 of the standouts in my opinion. There's others starting to fail, but again, these are inexpensive products, supposed to be very easy to use, easy to reapply. And I think so far so good. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.